going to trim Trick's nails. These are the clippers that I like to use. They're very basic, usually pretty inexpensive, and they give you a lot of control. So the idea is that you want to take off the point, but you don't want to get right down to the quick, which is the living part, because that will cause it to bleed and it will hurt, sort of like breaking your own fingernail or clipping it too short. It's not the end of the world if it happens, but it's better to avoid it, and you can turn kitties that are okay with getting their nails clipped, like Trick here, into kitties that don't like having their nails clipped if they get them clipped short and it hurts too often. So you just press one finger on the pad underneath to make the claw come out. Use the other hand and just go around the claw and just take off part of the end. Yes, honey, I know. Come here. Come here. And you just do that with... Oh, I know. You're fine. And you know, you got fuzz in your claws. This one here, the sheath is actually just coming off, which is leaving a brand new pointy little sharp claw in there. You're fine. Just relax. And don't forget the dew claw, which is up a bit farther, and sometimes you have to crunch a bit harder to get through those. Alright, and you swap over to the other foot. And just tip of the dew claw. And with most cats, you've got white claws and you can see the quick pretty readily. Oh, stop your complaining. So it's not really that hard to avoid hitting the quick. And that's all there is to it. I usually don't bother with the back claws. Some cats, it can be helpful, but the front ones are the ones that usually catch in things the worst. Hey, good boy. Let's get you some treats, okay?